All right, it's Wednesday, August 7th, just following up on Tesla. You can see it's continuing to move down, making new swing lows each time. I bought the first bar, some puts here, was able to scale out, set up kind of a no-risk trade, continue to watch it. We've made one push, second push, a third push to new lows here. Even though there's still a target down to these areas, I decided to kind of scale out of most of the trade here on that next push down. So I bought the 210 puts at 11.21, scaled out at 13.20 to set up a no-risk trade, and then I exited some more at 14.51. So a really nice trade on Tesla puts. I still think, we're heading potentially lower here, so we'll just find out if we kind of take out those pre-market lows. If we have an outside day to the downside, we've come below the midpoint of the prior day, so even though we're at midday right here, we could be just pausing and ultimately going a lot lower, closing red. In the big picture, we're going to see if that weekly chart, ends up with kind of just a neutral looking bar here, a gap down, try to start up the first 3 days of the week. We're starting to reverse lower. If we just end up with nothing that looks reversible to the upside, then we could be heading down to these areas over time. So anyway, we're kind of, this was the first opportunity for maybe a 2-up failure on the day after kind of a big downtrend here that started to form. A little bit of a rally, but you do expect it to roll over and test those lows again, and opening price action led us that way. So we will see what happens by the end of the day. I still think, we should be getting an outside day to the downside before it's all over. So we'll just have to see what price action or where it leads.